A very good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope all of you have enjoyed your winter break. Welcome back to the video tutorial of computer class. In today's tutorial, we will be continuing with chapter number 6, that is editing a worksheet. In today's tutorial, we will be learning how you can insert rows and columns in your spreadsheet. All of you have learned about rows and columns. Rows are the horizontal division of your worksheet, whereas columns are the vertical division of your worksheet. So how you can insert rows and columns to your existing worksheet, we will be learning. So first of all, how to insert row. The first step is click the row header to select the row wherever you want to insert a new row. After that, you will click on the Home tab, Cells group, Insert button. Under the Insert button, you have Insert Sheet Rows option. Clear? So this is the command which you have to follow when you want to insert rows in your spreadsheet. Now coming upon to inserting columns. In order to insert the column, first of all, we will click the column heading in order to select the column where you want to insert a new column. Then you will click on the Home tab, Cells group, Insert button, and then Insert Sheet Columns option. As you select this option, the column will be inserted at your selected place. Clear? Now, let us learn how you can add rows and columns to your existing spreadsheet. So here is a spreadsheet on your screen that you can see. Now, in order to add the row to your spreadsheet, what you will do, you will click on the row header. Like I clicked on this row header. Now, the row has been selected. After that, you will click on the Home tab. This is your Home tab. Under the Home tab, here you have the Cells group. Here you will select the Insert button. From the Insert button, you will click on this drop down arrow. The different options will be available from which you will be selecting Insert Sheet Rows option. As you click on this option, the row will be added to your spreadsheet. The blank row will be added to your spreadsheet. You can add any type of data, whatever you want. In the same way, whenever you want to insert a column, you will click on the column heading. This is your column heading that you want to click. After that, click on the Home tab. Again, in the Cells group, Insert button. Click on this drop down arrow, Insert Sheet Columns option. As you can see, as I have selected this option, a new blank column has been added to my spreadsheet. Clear, beta? Now, sometimes it happens we might want to delete a column or a row from our spreadsheet which we no longer need it. So, in order to delete a row and column, we have to follow some steps. First of all, we will be learning how to delete a row. In order to delete a row, select the row that you want to delete. After that, click on the Home tab. Under the Cells group, click on the Delete button, then select Delete Sheet Rows option. Clear? When you will select this, the selected row will be deleted from your spreadsheet. Now, how you can delete your columns? Again, in order to delete the column, you need to select the particular column first of all that you want to delete. Then you will click on the Home tab, Cells group, Delete button, Delete Sheet Columns option. Your selected column will be deleted. Clear, beta? So now let us learn how you can delete rows and columns from your spreadsheet. In order to delete any row or column, what you need to do is you need to select the particular row or column. So let's say if I want to delete a row having the name Anu, what I will do, I will select the row by clicking on the row header. Then click on the Home tab. In the Cells group, you have delete button. From this, click on this drop down arrow and then select delete sheet rows option. As you select this option, the selected row it will be deleted from your spreadsheet. Now same, when you want to delete any column, what you will do, you will select the particular column by clicking on the column header. Then click on the home tab. In the cells group, click on the delete button. From this, click on this drop down arrow and select delete sheet columns option. As you select this option, the selected column will be deleted from your spreadsheet. Clear beta? Try these concepts practically. We will meet next time. Take care of yourself everyone.